Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to disable the ad blocker in our Google Chrome. So whether it is the built-in one or an extension you've installed, let's just get started and remove it up. For that, what we can do is we can open up Chrome and go to the settings, go over to the three dot in the top right corner, click on it, and from there just go ahead and select the option for settings and open it up. Once you select settings, you'll be finding these options on your screen. You can look out for privacy and security from your left sidebar and open it up. Once you open it up, you may scroll down and look out for the option for site settings and go ahead and click on it. And once you do so, here you'll be finding site settings. You may basically look out for this option for additional content settings or additional permissions available here in the section and open it up. Once you expand it up, here you'll be finding different options available on your screen. You can basically go ahead and click on the option of ads from this section right here. This one right here, and open it up. Now once you open it up, what you need to do is you can just go ahead and select this option right here that all sites can show the ads. So you can just go ahead and select this option right here and confirm it. And once you do so, that will disable Chrome's built-in ad filter. And that's it. This is one of the method. Otherwise, what you can do is again go ahead and click on the three dots in the top right corner and just go ahead and open up the tab called extensions and head over to manage extensions from here. After you go to manage extensions, you can look out for the ad blocker extension here. Once you find it up, you can look out for the option to toggle this off like this for your ad blocker, or you can just go ahead and click on this option called remove. Go ahead and click on it. And once you do so, you can confirm remove. And once that is done, you can just reload the page where the ads were not showing and they should appear again on your screen. And that's it. Now you have successfully disabled the ad blocker in your Google Chrome. So that is it for today's video. We hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.